Today, I'll show you how to reset your Jotform password. If you've forgotten your password or you just want to update it for security reasons, this walkthrough will take you through the process step by step. We'll move slowly enough that you can follow along in real time, and by the end, you'll know exactly where everything is and what to click. First, open your web browser and go to the Jotform website. In the address bar at the top of your screen, type in jotform.com and press enter. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. If you're not already signed in, log in with your current credentials so you can access your account settings. If you're already logged in, you should see your dashboard or the main Jotform interface. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials, a small avatar image, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to different personal options related to your account. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will take you to the main settings area for your Jotform account. The settings page is where you can manage things like your personal information, account preferences, and security details. It may take a second or two to load, so just wait until you see a new page with several tabs or sections. On the settings page, find and select the account section. This is usually one of the main tabs or menu items on the left side or across the top of the page, depending on the current layout Jotform is using. The account section is where you manage details specific to your login, including your username, email address, and password. Once you're in the account area, look for the password section. Here you'll see an option that says Reset Password. Click on that. When you click Reset Password, Jotform will start the process of changing your password. Depending on how they currently handle security, one of two things may happen. You might be prompted to enter your current password and then type in a new one, or Jotform might send a password reset link to your registered email address. If you're asked to enter a new password directly, choose something strong and unique. A good password is typically a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easy-to-guess information like your name or simple patterns. Confirm the new password if you're asked, then save or confirm the change. If Jotform sends a reset email instead, open your email inbox and look for a message from Jotform about resetting your password. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email, click the reset link inside, and follow the on-screen instructions to choose your new password. Once you've set it, return to Jotform and sign in again using the updated credentials to make sure everything worked. That's all you need to do. You've successfully navigated to your profile, opened the settings, gone into the account section, and used the reset password option to secure your Jotform account.